my name is Casrodjunial DBS Krim Tracy, and this is my second oral examination. People of the Philippines versus Nelson Cia Jr. E. Acolina. Facts. Nelson Cia Jr. E. Acolina was accused of murder and attempted murder in criminal case number 158545. The case involves the killing of Hector Iñaki Lontoc Jr. E. Madrigal with the use of firearm, hitting him on his head, and the injury of Jerome Sumulong E. Gapasim with the use of firearm, hitting him on his left forearm. The attack occurred at midnight, but the area was lit by a street light, allowing prosecution witness to identify the assailant. Cia was charged with murder for Hector's death and attempted murder for Jerome's injury. Issue 1. Whether the prosecution witness could properly identify the assailant during the shooting. 2. Whether the information sufficiently alleged the qualifying circumstances of treachery. 3. Whether the attack was attended with treachery. 4. Whether there was intent to kill Jerome. Ruling. The Supreme Court denied the appeal, affirming the conviction for murder and attempted murder. It found that the prosecution witness could identify the assailant due to favorable visibility condition and that the information sufficiently alleged treachery. The court appealed that the attack was sudden and without warning, preventing the victims from defending themselves, thus qualifying as treachery. The court ruled that intent to kill was not necessary for attempted murder, since Jerome's injury was not fatal. Thank you.